Hello everyone, today I will teach you guys about the basics of the C++. So, for starter, C++ is a high-level language. Oh, no mistake. It's a high-level language, which means it is a language for humans so that humans can understand and how to coding it. You can differentiate a high-level language with the low-level language. Low-level language is a language such as assembly language where only computer will understand. So to run C++, you need IDE, which is called Integrated Develop Environments, and we have things such as C-Lion, Java, Visual Studio, which basically a IDE, and we also need a compiler. Compiler is a feature where you can run the code. So mostly when you have IDE, you will also have compiler. Alright, so to start, write C++. Since it is easier to run C++ online, so right now I will teach you guys how to write code online. So open the browser and then type in C++ online, and I like online gdb.com, so I will use this one. Alright, so over here checks if the language is C++, and the whole thing should be look like this. So when you click run, you will see hello world. Okay, alright, so to start, I will start from scratch, so that way you guys will have basic idea about how to write C++. Right, so I can delete all of it. Okay, so the thing that you need is include IO stream, which is stand for input output stream, and I will tell you what is the purpose of the IO stream. And then in the compiler you will need integer main, where this block will run the main program. It is called the main program that it essentially will run the code. And then at the end of it, you will click return. You will write return 0, or you can why we need return 0? It's just the way it is, because when we click run, we see exit code 0. When we see exit code 0, it means the run of the code is successful. So I mean, you can change it to 1, or you can change it to 10, and when you run it successfully, it will just return the number that you write. But by the standard, we put 0. That means it will compile successful, and under that numbers, it means that you have a program with your compiler. Okay, so alright, so I have to teach you guys about the basic data type. So in C++ we have data types. And what is the data type? Just think of us in our human language we have letter, character, number, and in the number we have we have decimal, whole number, and etc. So in C++, data type refer to all of these types that we human have. So the whole idea is similar to this, and I will tell you what the data types in C++. So the data type in C++ that correspond to letters, it's called string. And actually it's called std string, and I will try to help you guys understand std in the future video. So for now, just take it as is. It's just try to understand it and take it as is. Thank you. Okay, so letter is correspond to the string, so that means it is the data type. And in C++, to use string data type, we need to include what C++ calls string. Okay, so this one will create new line like this. So letter is a data type correspond to string. So now if I want to say I am learning C++ like this. So this whole thing is a letter, but think about it. This whole thing is a data type of letter, right? And to string, to have the word like that, we need first to give it a name. So string, we name it, you can name it everything you want except the same name. That's that we call in C++ the keywords in C++, such as string. You cannot name your variables as in string or other keywords that is in C++. So you have string and just name it words, and then you end the statement. A line in C++ is called statement, so you end it with semicolon, and then in words you can set it to I am learning C++, and then you have to end the statement a line with semicolon, just like when you end your letter with a full stop. Okay, and notice in string it need double quote. It always need double quote. Okay, alright, so since this one compiler will not actually understand it, I will comment it out. And to comment in C++, we use double forward slash. And okay, and when we run it, okay, it say exit 0, but we do not see our word. So to make it appear in the console, we need to write std cout, and then we want to see out this whole word. We can do it this way, copy, and then see out this way, and when we run it, this word will appear, or we can see out it this way, words. Since we know words hold the letter I am learning C++, it will also do the same thing. And notice I can use std cout because I include input IO stream, because which is stand for input output stream. If I were to comment this out and try to run it, it will show error. Error, cout is not a member of std. And to learn C++, you need to learn how to read these errors so that you will be good at C++. So that is the end of the lesson. So I hope you guys can try to trigger with it until the next video. Thank you.